Use this Sena SC-A0117 cable to use compatible Midland and Icom two-way radio devices with your motorcycle. The cable features a braided cord joining a Hirose 6-pin connector to a twin-pin straight-type connector designed for Midland and Icom radio devices. This cable is compatible with Midland LXT2 of February 400 series, G2 or 3 of April 500 series, Icom IC-40S, IC-4088A, ICT-70A, and select others. Two-way radio cable for custom motorcycle installation. Twin-pin connector designed for Midland and Icom radio devices. Hirose 6-pin DIN connector. Coiled cable for easy cord management. Simple way to add two-way radio capability to your motorcycle. Top reviews from the United States. Works great. Use this with the Midland 7582240 channel CB radio on my Can-Am. Connected to the Sena State Route 10 and now have Bluetooth CB. Tried other right-angled connectors and they did not work.